Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today let us study about in your 5th standard new chapter of chapter number 5, factors and multiples. Dear students, you know about the factors and multiples. What are the factors and multiples? You learn about in the multiples tables in your previous class. Today only study about factors and multiples, and also you know about in the mathematics you know about types of numbers. For example, even numbers, odd numbers, and prime numbers, composite numbers, co-prime, twin prime. These like numbers are also here. Next, you can find out the factors, multiples, and also prime factorization. These all things are here. Dear student, today you study about only one by one the types of numbers, including factors of and multiples of numbers. The first one is what? Numbers only. What are the numbers? You know about types of numbers. Even number. First of all, you study about only even number. What are the even number? Even numbers. Even numbers are what? 2 is even, 4, 6, 8, and so on. These all are even numbers. That is basic concept. Next one is odd number. Odd numbers. Odd numbers are only 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. These all are odd number. Next one is what? Odd number, even number. Next you know about the prime numbers. What are the prime? Prime factorization, prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? And also, what is the definition of prime number? The meaning of prime number is a number is divisible by itself and only one is called prime. Or otherwise, a number have only two factors. A number have only two factors. That number is called prime number. For example, 1 is not a prime number. 2 is prime. 3 is prime. 4 is not a prime because 4 is not prime because 4 factors are 1, 2, 4 is the 3 factors are here. But we want only 2 factors. These are only prime factors, only prime numbers. 2, 3, 5 is prime. Next 7. Next 9 is not prime. Next 11 is prime. And 13 is prime. And so on. This type of only prime numbers are here. The meaning of prime number is only a number have two factors, or otherwise prime numbers are a number is divisible by itself and only one. That is over. Next one is what? Composite number. What are the composite? Composite numbers. What are the composite number? And also, what is the meaning of composite? The meaning of composite is a number have more than two factors. A numbers have more than two factors are called composite number. For example, 4 is a composite because this 4 is more than two factors are here. Therefore, 4 is a composite. Next, 6 is composite. 8 is composite. 9 is composite. 10, 12, and so on. These all are composite numbers are here. These all are composite number. Even number is over. Odd number is over. Prime number, composite number. What about next? Factors. What are the meaning of factors? What are the factors? For example, check yourself once again. You know prime numbers only. Factors. Factors in prime. Factors in primes. Prime numbers. What are the factors? For example, consider 7 is the 7 factors are what? 7 factors are only 1 and 7. 7 into 7, 1, 7 to 7. Next, 11. 11 is a prime. These factors are only 1 and 11. And also 3. 3 is a prime. This prime number factors are only 1 and 3. Only factors in prime numbers. You study about only factors. All prime numbers have only two factors. What about in composite numbers? Factors in composite. Factors in composite. Composite number. Composite number. Consider any composite number. First of all, you can consider 12. What are the factors of 12? 12 factors. 1 is factor. 2 is factor. 2 6th. Next 3 is factor. 3 4s are. Next 4 is factor. 4 3s are 12. Next 6 is factor, and also 12 is also factor. These all are factors of 12. What about next 8? Consider any one. 8, therefore 8. What are the factors of 8? 1 is factor, 2 is factor, next 4 is factor, and 8 is factor. Only 4 factors are here. The factors of 8. Consider 4. That is repeated. 4. 1 is factor, 2 is factor, 4 is factor. Okay. These all are factors of composite numbers. Factors of prime numbers. You can clarify very easy. Prime number definition is only 2 factors are called prime number. The more than 2 factors is called composite number. Okay. You study about only factors. Factor is divided by also. Factor is also by the separately divided into prime number and composite number. Next one is what? What is the multiples? What are the multiples? You know about multiples is very easy. The multiples are only tables is the very easy tables. Tables. For example, multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 is very easy. You can write the only 2 tables. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14. This like so on. This like only. Next, multiples of 3. Again same 3 tables. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18, and so on. This like. Again you can take any one multiples of 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, or 20 or 100. This like also here same as it is. The write the multiples of given number. Or otherwise multiples of first 5 numbers like given. This like numbers are here. Next you can study about some examples on factors and multiples. Some examples. And also you know about the factorization method and also find the factors and multiples are here. Choose some examples. Next one is what? And also you can study about the twin primes. Twin primes and co-prime. Co-prime number. Co-prime. Dear students, you know about twin primes and co-primes. Co-prime. You know about prime numbers. Prime numbers have only 2 factors is called prime numbers. For examples, the prime numbers are prime number. Prime numbers is equal to 2. 2 is a prime. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 25, 27, 28, 29, and 31, and so on. These all are prime numbers. What about twin prime and co-prime? Consider co-primes are, right, co-prime number. Co-primes. What are the co-primes? Co-primes written this like 2 3 is one pair of co-prime. The next one 2 3 are co-prime. Next one is what? 5 2 3. Next one is what? Only 2 3 is co-prime. 2 3 is co-prime because only one common difference is only 1. Common difference is only 1 is the co-primes are 2 numbers have only one common factor, that not and also not necessary about prime numbers. For example, 2 3 is a co-prime and also 5 6 is also co-prime because this 6 is not a prime number. But in co-prime, that is not necessary about the prime number. Consider any 2 numbers. Any 2 numbers, only common factor is only 1. 5 and 6 common is 1 is there, and also 23 and 18 only one common factor, and also 6 and consider 14. 6 and 14. This is not 6 and 19. 6 and 19. This is also only one common factor. These like all are co-prime numbers. The meaning of co-prime means two numbers only one common factor. One common factor, not necessarily prime. Necessarily prime is there. This is your co-prime. What about next? Twin prime. Twin prime means twin primes are right in a two prime. In the the meaning of twin prime means the two prime numbers have only two common factors. Okay, twin primes are only in the prime. But in the twin primes are wanted to only prime numbers, including only prime numbers. Only two prime numbers. Consider two prime numbers have only two common factors. What are the two factors? Example: 2, 3 is not a twin prime because difference in only one is there. Next, 3 and 5 is twin prime. 3 and 5 is twin prime because 5 minus 3 is only 2 is there. Difference is 2. The next one is what? This is not common, that is different. Only two different. Difference is 2. Only difference is 2. Difference is 2 is there. Not factor, that is difference is 2 is there. Next one is what? 5 and 7. 5 and 7 is twin primes. Next, 11 and 13. Next, 17 and 19. Next, 29 and 31 and so on. These all are twin primes. Got it? Twin prime means consider any two prime number. These two prime number difference is 2 is that is twin prime. But co-prime is different. Co-prime means you can consider any two numbers, not necessarily prime number. Consider any two number that common factors is only one is called, that is co-prime. But this is twin prime. Got it? Co-prime and twin prime. Next, you can study about some examples in your factorization method. Some example is find the prime factorization of 54 is the. Find the factorization method is you can take the two methods. One method is method number 1 is first method, tree method. Only tree method is the. Tree method is the. You can find out tree method. 54 is the given number. 54 is the given number. You can find out the prime factorization method. Find prime factors. You can take this line. 54 divided by 2. Divided by 2. 27s are. 27s are. Got it? 27 2s are 54. The next again 2 is a factors. Not this is over. Next 27 composite number is there. You can express in the prime. Next 3 9s are. 3 9s are. 3 9s are 27. Again this 3 is prime number, that is over. Next one 9 is composite number is that you can express in the prime, that is 3 and 3. 3 3s are. 3 3s are. Okay, one prime number is a 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime, 3 is a prime, 3 is a prime. Okay, this number 54 is expressed in the prime factorization. Therefore, factors are 54 is equal to one factor is 2. Next one 3 into 3 into 3. These all are prime factorization. This example is also based on the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every number can be expressed as a product of prime. It's called, that is the main important theorem, that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay, this is first method. What about second method? The second method is what? The short division method. Short division method. Division method. What is the short division method? Short division method is very easy. Then you can write this like, first of all write 54. Given number is 54 is there. You can take the smallest number. The smallest number you can take only 2. 2. You can take 2 tables up to 54. Or otherwise 2 2s are 4 is the remaining 1 is the, that is 14. 2 7s are. Next 27 is the. What about next nearest number? You can take 2 or 3. 2 is not divisible by 27. You can take 3. 3 9s are 27. Again you can take 3. 3 3s are. Next you can take again 3. 3 1s are. This example is over. Therefore, these are our prime factors. These are our prime factors. Therefore, 54 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is prime factorization. These are two methods that you can solve. You can choose any method. You can find out the prime factorization of the given number. Got it? This is your based on the arithmetic theorem. That is every composite number can be expressed as a product of. That is basic fundamental theorem. Got it? I shall continue next class. Well, some prime factorization method. Dear students, the third example in your exercise 600. Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of the composite number? Andre, now ಯಾವ composite number, ಯಾವ prime factor ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು consider ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. For example, which factors? ಯಾವ factors? For example, consider this like 1 and itself factors are not considered in the common factors. This like are here. Prime factorization. For example, 24 factors are here. 24 factors 2 1s are 2 12s are. Next again 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are is there. Okay. Therefore, 2 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor. Not consider 1 and itself. Okay. Therefore, which factors are not included? Therefore, 24 and 1 is not included in the prime factorization method. Only consider only these all are prime factorization. Prime numbers, these are prime factors. Otherwise, 1 and itself are not included. Got it? That is over. The next one example. Next one is what? Write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in the term of its prime factors. What is the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number solution greatest 4-digit number is equal to 9999. This is greatest 4-digit number. You can find out the prime factors. Right? This like prime factors 9999. You can take smallest digit, smallest number. 2 is not divisible. You can take 3. 3 3s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are. Again you can take 3. 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 1s are. Next you can take which one number? You can take 11. 11 1s are 0, 11 1s are. Therefore next 1 not 1, 1 not 1s are. Therefore these are our prime factors. Therefore factors is the 9 is equal to 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. These are our prime factors of greatest 4-digit number. What about next? Smallest 5-digit number. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it has the form of its prime factors. Again solution. Write the given smallest 5-digit number. What is the smallest 5-digit number? Smallest 5-digit number. 5 digits is equal to 140. 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. Next, you can find out the factorization method. You can take this like factorization method 10,000. You can take smallest number. Not consider 1. You can take 2. 2 is divisible. 2 5s are 10. Remaining 2 0. Again you can take 2. 2 2s are 4. Remaining one is the 2 5s are 10. Remaining 2 0. Again you can take 2 also. 2 ones are 2. Next 5 is the 2 twos are 4. Remaining one is the 2 fives are 1 0. Again next you can take 2. 2 6 are 12. Again 2 twos are 5. 2 twos are 4. Remaining one is the 2 fives are. Next 6 2 5 is the. This 6 2 5 is not divisible by 2. You can take. Next you can take 3 is divisible. Not divisible. You can take 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are. Again 125 is the. 125 is not divisible by again 2 and 3. You can take 5. Therefore 2. 5 twos are 5 fives. Again 5s are 5 fives are. Therefore 5 ones are. Therefore this is your prime factorization method. Therefore 10,000 is equal to factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 into 5. How many times? 4 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. These are a prime factorization method. This like some questions are here. You can practice in your exercise. Prime factorization method, and also true or false are here. Some different examples are here. You can practice more examples in your exercise. I shall continue next class.